A casual, unassuming beach town lifestyle woven with a community rich in history, artisan makers, wineries, and extraordinary cuisine. Welcome to 1410 County Road 12, where white sandy beaches and crystal blue waters are right at your doorstep. This spacious 5-bedroom, 2-bath updated home offers a bright and airy coastal aesthetic throughout. Delight in the sun-filled spaces and open concept floor plan as you venture seamlessly from one room to the next. The well-appointed kitchen is a perfect spot to experiment and create your own culinary masterpieces. Stainless steel appliances, warm butcher block counters, and abundance of cabinets that ensures this kitchen checks all the boxes. The sunken living room provides a cozy and intimate atmosphere, making it the perfect spot to curl up with your favorite book or enjoy some time with your close friends. From the family room, we invite you to step outside to the 800 square foot west-facing deck that provides a spot for barbecues, alfresco dining, and hosting gatherings. The private 1-acre lot provides lush landscaping, gardens, and is ideal for outdoor games and evenings spent gathering around the fire pit, roasting marshmallows, and stargazing. The spectacular lower level of this home boasts a spacious recreation room that is ready for your entertainment needs. The perfect spot for watching movies and partaking in some competitive board games. The space is further elevated with a wet bar area, large updated bathroom, and 2 additional bedrooms. This property offers a delightful retreat that caters to all your needs, but also provides you with the attractive ability to generate income with its grandfathered STA license. Currently operating as the Field Lodge, this property boasts a tremendous rating and a loyal following thanks to its reputation for unparalleled hospitality and convenient location to beaches, trails, restaurants, shopping, and more. Don't miss this opportunity to come and experience the magic of this Westlake gem. Fall in love and you too can call the county home.